Good morning, Stampers, and thank you for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I want to talk a little bit about cling stamps. I've heard some of my customers express fear or confusion about this new format for stamp sets. Now, let me assure you, cling stamps are not going anywhere, like literally, and there's so much to love about them. And if you're someone who loves to stamp like I love to stamp, you're going to be using cling stamps. So let's learn a little bit about them. How many times has this happened to you, where you're cleaning a stamp and it pops right off the block? I've actually even had it where I'm inking up a stamp and as soon as I go to put it on the paper, it falls off. So this is why cling stamps were created, to solve that problem. Because what we all started doing when that got so annoying is we stopped putting labels on our stamps. But then you're left with the problem of trying to figure out how to line up your image when you can't even see what the image is or even which way up it goes. So enter cling stamps to save the day. They have a super clingy label and it's not going to let your stamp fall off the block. Let me show you. Dun 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 dun. You gotta love it, right? Now, when you first get your cling stamp set and you open it up, you're gonna see on the inside of the case are these pictures, instructions for how to mount the stamps. And it's even got a link to the YouTube channel for Stampin' Up! And a video for exactly how to mount your stamps. So you can follow these instructions and you can mount the stamps one at a time, just like this. Carefully line it up. Press down, peel it back, and there's your mounted stamp. Now that's marvelous, right? But let me show you this really cool trick that I just learned from another demonstrator, and it's going to make mounting your stamps so quick and easy. Now, same thing, you're going to start with peeling off all your backings on both your stamps and your image sheet. Once you've got all your backings off, you'll want to punch out one stamp, maybe even two, and these are going to serve as windows. So, put your image sheet down, and then using these windows to peek through, line up your stamp sheet on top. Press down, and then peel off the back. And all of your stamps are mounted. Ta-da! So I hope now that you've seen a little bit more about cling stamps that you're going to start to love them and use them and ink them up and fall right in love with them just the way I have. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this trick and of my video. And if there's something specific that you're wanting to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting where you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye.